we're doing a soft, fresh everyday Alzang makeup look, perfect for students with round faces. Let's get started. Start with 2 pumps of foundation for a smoother base. Apply using a spatula, then press it in well to blend everything seamlessly. Next, go in with concealer to cover dark circles and any blemishes. Fill in your brows using a powder. Keep the front strokes light for that soft, natural look. Light nose contour to subtly lift the bridge. With leftover powder, gently swipe over the eyelids to reduce puffiness. Set the face with a thin layer of powder, just enough to hold everything in place while keeping the skin looking fresh. Use a pink-toned eyeshadow palette, then apply a soft pink shade all over the lid. Keep the eyeliner thin and simple, just enough to define the lash line and make the eyes pop. Choose lightweight, not too thick lashes. Add a matte highlight to the center of the face for brightness, then use a soft shadow under the eyes to define aegyo-sal. Layer a few shades of pink blush on the cheeks, and don't forget a bit on the chin and hairline to balance the color. Finish the look with a swipe of strawberry red lip tint. Soft, simple, and effortlessly cute. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you don't miss the next one. And comment below what look you want to see next.